Yep. Yep. Last time was a new record. Let's see it. Your first day without training wheels. Go. Pedal fast. Lean left. Pedal fast. Go. Paddle. 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 Keep going. Yay! New record.
And you get crashed.
That was like 70 feet. You're a real biker now. Here. Good job.
What? Did you know I went 70 feet? Yes!
Jake's a real biker. No training wheels. His first day without training wheels. And what is today?
Sunday.
What's January 1st of 2012? Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Can I see that picture?
Can you see what picture?
This.
That picture?
This. I think I have a video.
Yeah, I took a video of you riding your I caught you on video of your furthest bike ride ever on the first day without training wheels. Okay. So it's something that you'll always be able to see the first day you rode your bike by yourself without training wheels. You are a monkey. Didn't hurt, did it?
No.
Because you got a helmet on. What about you?
No. Yes. Ow, ow. Mine! No. That is mine.
Don't hit the camera.
I'm riding my bike.
What's that?
You ride your bike much? I ride my bike much.
Yeah. We're gonna go ride bikes together soon?
Yeah.
That'll be fun. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.